Hey, niggas ain't got respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If he don't say it direct, give a fuck. Yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take an advance. She wasn't going to plan. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. Her she went back to her man. Give a fuck. Just put a wagon in the driveway. You know I did. Then I shoot my shot and stuck a wild where it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. You could be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up. Me and Capo tryna leave, I'm walking piece to east up. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beef stuff. But I be for rapper, cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't got respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that